Stuffed apples with olive oil. Give the apples a good wash in water, then remove the stalks. Slice off the tops and set aside to use later as lids. Use a corer to scrape out the inner part of the apple and remove the seeds. To prevent the insides of the apples discolouring, rub them with the juice of half a lemon. To prepare the filling, dice the onion and finely chop the parsley and mint. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small pan, add the chopped onion and cook until golden. Add 1 tablespoon of pine nuts, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of washed and drained raisins, and continue to cook for about 5 minutes. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear, then drain and stir into the onion mixture. Add the remaining juice of half a lemon and 120 ml of hot water. Continue cooking over medium heat until the rice has absorbed the water. Remove the mixture from the heat, stir in the chopped mint and parsley, then fill the apples with the mixture and place the lids on top. Place the stuffed apples upright side by side in a medium-sized saucepan. Pour over 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add 240 ml of hot water. Cover the pan and cook over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. After cooking, leave to cool before serving.